For over 20 years, Magicman has been the go-to brand for delivering high-quality, in-situ damage repair, restoration and rejuvenation projects all over the world. With a focus on repair rather than replace, Magicman is needing to grow its diverse and dedicated, amazing team of technicians. Here at Magicman, we offer a bespoke and accessible training program, and here our technicians learn to grow in confidence and all the skills that they need in order to carry out exciting repair projects all over the world, from cruise ships in the middle of the China Sea to Olympic villages and different embassies.
There are many thousands of people out there who could be brilliant Magicman technicians or Magicman staff. And we give people an opportunity, and we try and instruct and teach those things that maybe they haven't had from previous employers, to develop them and to give them a vision of their succession, how they move through the company. So it's not just one job stops here, it's really the only limitation to their success is their own limitation. I think the best way I could put it is I'm really looking for people who've maybe not had an opportunity, either through education or something in their history or whatever, where you can't just measure people by academic achievement.
So if you're looking for a new adventure, you're a good communicator and a natural problem solver, a new career awaits you at Magicman.